Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or delete a Do Not Disturb schedule on your Android-based smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. You want to go down underneath Notifications and select the Notifications button. And then scroll down again underneath where it says General, select Do Not Disturb, and then scroll down again underneath General on this page. So there were two generals I guess you had to go under, and it should say Schedules. Select that. So if you want to disable any Do Not Disturb schedules, you can just toggle to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time. Conversely, you can also add additional Do Not Disturb schedules by selecting the Add More button. And you can add event or times, maybe even when you're driving, if you want to have that set up. I think there is an accompanying app you need in order to have that set up, though, the last option. You can also modify existing scheduled times in here too by selecting them, so you don't have to have a whole bunch of them. You can just kind of edit the existing ones in here, change the name of it for whatever you want. Doesn't really matter, and that would pretty much be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.